if you're coming from an iPhone or simply love the dark icon look, here's how to get something even more interesting on your Samsung phone. These are the 1.3D icons, and the entire setup takes just a few minutes. And if some of the icons don't match the icon pack, I will be showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT or Gemini and provide you also with a prompt to fix those missing ones so the entire setup is consistent. Let's do it. So welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech and help you get the most out of your Samsung devices. We have done a similar icon transformation on this channel before, and today we're going to be looking at another one. This time we're creating a beautiful dark 3D setup, and we're only going to need 3 separate things: Play Store, Samsung Good Luck, and ChatGPT or Gemini. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So the first thing we're going to be doing is going to the Play Store. So we're going to go here into the Play Store, and once in here, we're going to be looking for this very name, which is the One Dark 3D. There it is. You're just going to tap on it, and it's this very one. Like you can see, the One 3D Dark together, and you're going to install that. But take note that this actually costs money. For me, I have already bought it. Is the reason why I'm able to just install it, but it's less than $2, so I'm sure it's on the good side, and it will be beneficial in making the phone look exactly how you want it to look. So you're going to wait for a couple of seconds and it's going to finish, then we're going to continue. So once it's done and we tap on it to open, we're going to be greeted with this very space, which looks exactly like this. Now, to install it, we're going to need Good Luck, specifically the theme pack. So let's jump into that side. But what is Good Luck? So Good Luck is actually an application that contains several models that allows customization on your phone, Samsung phone to be specific, to greater heights in the looks and even productivity. So if you want to know everything about all those models, you can check the card app there. I have model by model description inside one playlist. All right, let's move on. So once we come here, we're going to go into Good Luck like that, and we're going to be utilizing the theme pack. Once you're in theme pack, this has to do with the icons, so we're going to go into icons, and in here we're going to be creating the new set of icons. So we're going to tap on this and change nothing here. Here we're going to come here to icons, and then we're going to select icon pack. So then here you can see right there the One Dark 3D. So you're going to select it as the icon pack you want to apply across everything, and you're going to see a transformation happen right there. Once this is done, you're now going to come up here and select this and give it a name. So in this example, we're going to give it a Dark 3D like that, and we're going to hit on OK. Once it's done, we're going to have it looking exactly like this. So you're going to tap on it and apply it. After applying it, then we see it looking just like this, and this, I believe, is beautiful. No, and as you can see here, there are a few stubborn applications here that do not change. So if I go into the app side, you can actually see how they look. Everything seems okay, except that some of them do not take the dark theme like we said. So what you're going to do is try to transform them. And to do that, follow me and I'll show you. We're going to be taking this one for example. So we're going to screenshot it like that. Once we've screenshotted it, what we're going to do next is go into this. Then we're going to just crop like that. All right, so once we've cropped this, we're just going to hit that. And then for me, I'm going to go into gallery, pick that very image, and then hold down on it so that I'm able to crop that out and save that now as a separate image. Then you're going to go into ChatGPT or Gemini and use this prompt. I'm going to be running for both of them. So here we're in Gemini, and this is what we're going to do. Hit on plus, then add an image. So from photos, and then we're going to pick that image here. Once we've done that, I'm going to be pasting this prompt. You copy it from the description and put it in yours also. All right, so that is, it's basically going to be asking, or in this case, it's going to sound like this: use the provided app icon to create a clean premium 3D app card. So it's going to be creating it using that. So you're just going to hit on that, and it's quite lengthy. You can pause or take a screenshot of it or copy it. Give it a couple of minutes, and it's just converted it right there. So then you can take this like that and then save it. Now let's see what ChatGPT would also do. I believe ChatGPT takes longer, but let's see. So in ChatGPT, new space, we're going to paste this here and use this. And we wait. And here we have ChatGPT also creating its. So it looks exactly like this. For me, I'll go with the Gemini variant because it's quite fast and it actually does not cartoon something here like you can see here. So if we come here into gallery, we can see how the image looks like. ChatGPT created this, still leaving the white in the center, and Gemini created this, but as you can see, Gemini left this around it. So we're just going to hold down on this and cut this out and save it as a separate image and use that for example. So let's jump into how to actually finally apply it. So what we're going to do is go back to the good lock again, then we go into theme park, and once we are in here, we're going to go into icons. Then we're going to pick what we did already and try to edit it. Why it's important is because already here it has been applied, so you're just changing that very icon inside there. Okay, so you're just going to go to the top here and select that very icon there, which allows you to add a new icon. So look for at this point in that very application. You can search. So I know the name of the application, so I'm going to select it, then go into gallery and then pick that icon that I want, which is this. And now I can apply it. And now all of them are going to be looking very similar. So once that has been applied, we can now leave the space, and then you're going to hit save again, and you can overwrite it or change something about it like this. So in this case, we created a new one, so we can then now apply this one. And once we're done, we go and look for that very application. And you can see it right there. It changed to a black theme, but looks slightly different from the others. So if you like, let me know in the comment section and I'll create a prompt where I use an example of this to actually cause every application that is created to look exactly like that. And so now we see exactly how that transformation can be done and how the correction of other applications that didn't match the original setup would be sorted out. So if you love that dark icon aesthetic, give the setup a try. And remember, if some of the applications aren't supported, you can use the prompt that I provide in the description to create the missing icons yourself using the procedure I just showed. If you want me to find and test more icon packs like this, let me know also that in the comment section. But please don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.